everybody, we're here today at the second day of the World Ag Show, and I got Peter Viss here. We're going to ask him a few questions.
All right, thank you, Mindy. It's my pleasure. This is my favorite subject to talk about. I've thought about this and about how to explain what we've seen for quite a while and in some depth, and it is genuinely a biological wonder, so I'm excited to talk about it.
Great. Well, I wanted to ask you, how does VermisTerra affect the environment?
Okay, that's a great question. And I'll say it in this way first, that the VermisTerra is the mother of environmentally friendly products. It is entirely natural. It's, of course, it's certified organic, but it is, from beginning to end, the process used to make it is all natural and technique intensive, but environmentally friendly. Further, the consequence of the use of these products is multidimensional. It has beneficial effects in ways that can't be quantified, but that add up to having just a net positive effect on the soil, on the plants, and then which is better for the end user, which is us. And I want to say this, that the environmental friendliness of something sometimes speaks to its power and its potential. Not always, but in this case it does. Because the VermisTerra castings in the tea are so connected to the earth, those bacteria come out of the worm gut, which comes out of the soil. That's their home. That is where they do their work, and it's all good work. It's good for the plants, it's good for the dirt. And because that's where it's come from, it has a disproportionate power when used in that context. All we've done is tap into something that already exists and figure out how to deliver it in significant numbers.
What about with pollinators or, say, the watershed? How does it affect that?
That's a good point. So the great thing about using something like this is that, say for example, using VermisTerra tea as either a standalone nitrogen source or as an adjuvant to an existing program, you don't have to worry about how much of that tea is going to leak into the watershed, because the tea is bacteria, and the bacteria want to stay where there's oxygen, so they stay in the living root zone. You don't have anything leaching into the water source. There's some good research, and my personal experience has been that when you use VermisTerra on flowering crops, it increases the density of the pollen. Bees love it.
Oh.
And so the bloom is more intense. Those bacteria become part of the endogenous bee flora, and it's one of those examples of there being ancillary benefits that we can't even measure to using it, but it's because of where it comes from.
That's great.
Yeah.